channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. In this video I am going to share you the important information as you can see on my screen. So this notification maybe you have seen on 27th of December or maybe 23rd of December, and this is actually prevent or fix issue. The message ID is MC96430. Why I am showing you? Because there is a some rules needs to be, firewall rules has to be updated for the new CDN endpoints if you are deploying Microsoft 365, Microsoft Win32 application or PowerShell script to your Windows devices. That's why I being as a member, if you are a part of this YouTube channel or if you are a member of this YouTube channel, I should have informed you so that you will not miss some of the important information, so that you can take action on this notification in case if you have missed it. So as you can see here on the notification center, on December 27, 2024, as a result of Erasure retirement, we are updating the required CDN endpoints for Win32 application and PowerShell script. So if you just click on that link, if you're not able to find that message, you will see if you are using Intune for scenario that use the Intune management extensions like deploying Microsoft 365 application to your Windows devices, or any PowerShell script or remediation script for endpoint analytics or compliance policies for BIOS configuration policy, you need to grant access to endpoints in which your tenant currently reside. So there are different endpoints used for different, depending on your tenant locations. To find your tenant locations, you can always go to tenant administration, and if you go to the tenant administration, you can see it here, the tenant location India 01, right? So so here you see tenant administration, tenant detail, and you will see similarly you can find like using the region in your location in the table below. So if you are in North America regions, right, you will see this is the CDN. If you are in Europe, you will see this one, and if you are in Asia Pacific, you will see here, okay, and this is the port, right? So how this will affect your organization, right? So if you are using Intune to deploy PowerShell, as I mentioned earlier in the starting of the video, you will need to grant access to the updated endpoint to your location. If access to this endpoint is not granted, user will not able to install Win32 application and PowerShell script will fail. So make sure you are allowing this CDN to your firewall rule or update in your firewalls to include the new CDN endpoints for successfully deploy the Win32 apps and PowerShell script, right? So you can see the network requirement here, and you can go, right? I've already click on, and you will see the list of requirement for Windows can be viewed here, and this is for Mac, and this is only for the Windows and Mac devices, right? So you have to open these. If you are managing Mac, these are the CDN. If your tenant is located in North America or APAC region or Europe region, for Windows devices, this CDN and port should be 4435. So make sure don't forget to check with network team and allow these new CDN endpoints if you are deploying Win32 application. I'm sure most of them you are not deploying Win32 app, but PowerShell script I'm sure you will be deploying it to your Windows or Mac, Windows machine at least. So otherwise user will not be able to install, and the installation will get failed and script will get failed. So make sure you update your CDN before that. Till then, thank you, have a good day.